See the eighth part of question number 1. Solve the pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. First of all, we reduce the pair of linear equation. Okay. After that, we solve it by any algebraic method. Now, from this pair of linear equation, you can see 3x plus y from both the equations are common, and 3x minus y is also common. So just take this 1 upon 3x plus y as a, and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. It is like previous parts only, nothing change. So instead of 1 upon 3x plus y, just we put a in both the equations. Let's see. So from first equations, a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Okay. And in second equation, 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y, it can be written a upon 2 minus 1 upon 3x minus y can be written b, and upon 2, it's already given, is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Take as first, and in this equation the denominators can be reduced from both the sides by taking 2 as common or LCM. So it will be here a minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So 2 can be reduced. So a minus b is equal to, can be transposed over here, minus 2 upon 8. It will be minus 1 upon 4. So a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Take as second equation. Now solve this pair of linear equations by any algebraic method as per your convenience. So by elimination method, just I am going to solve this pair of linear equation by adding 1 and 2 to eliminate b term, because both the b having opposite sign. So after adding this a to a, and b will be cancelled. So 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4. So it would be written like that. Simplify this right side by taking LCM and removing the bracket. So 2a is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. So a is equal to 2 upon 4 upon 2. Okay. So 2 are cancelled. A is equal to 1 upon 4. You can simplify by yourself. No need to copy from here. Just see the pattern only. Okay. Now we are going to find the value of b to get by putting the value of a is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So it would be 1 upon 4 plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. So b is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4 means 2 upon 4 can be reduced. So b is equal to 1 upon 2. We have a is equal to 1 upon 4 and b is equal to 1 upon 2. Now again we substitute the value of a and b where we have assumed in the term of x and y. Now you can see in this on this page 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b. In the beginning we have assumed by putting the value of a is equal to 1 upon 4 to get another pair of linear equation in two variables. Now by putting the value of b is 1 upon 2 over here, you can see in this step by either by cross multiplication or making the reciprocal of both the sides, the equation will be 3x plus y is equal to 4, and in second equation here also 3x minus y is equal to 2. This is another two equations assumed let as 3 and 4. By any algebraic method you solve these two pair of linear equations. Now by elimination method we are going to eliminate the y term by adding equation 3 and 4. Add this 3x with this 3x, it will be 6x. Y terms will be cancelled because both the terms having opposite sign, and add 4 into 4 and 2, 6. So 6x is equal to 6, so x is equal to 6 upon 6, x is equal to 1. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 1 in equation number 3. So 3 equation is 3x plus y is equal to 4. Instead of x put 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. So y will also 1. Hence it's an answer.